If you're trying to open a PDF in Lucidchart, the first thing to know is that Lucidchart does not open PDFs as editable diagrams. So if you came here expecting to turn a PDF into a fully editable flowchart or diagram instantly, that's not exactly how this works. But the good news is, Lucidchart does let you insert a PDF into your document or attach it to a shape for reference. And that can be really useful when you want to keep source material close while building your diagram. In this video, I'll show you both methods step by step so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and how-to guides. It really helps the channel and it keeps you updated with more practical tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first method, which is inserting the PDF directly into the canvas. First, log in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're in, open an existing document if you already have one, or create a brand new blank document if you want to start fresh. This is the easiest way if you want the PDF visible right on your workspace while you build around it. Now look to the top left corner of the screen and click More. From there, hover over Insert and then select Document. Lucidchart will prompt you to browse your computer, so locate the PDF file you want to use. Click the file, then hit Open. After that, Lucidchart will place the PDF onto your canvas. Once the PDF is inserted, you can click and drag it to move it around your document. This is helpful if you want to keep it off to the side while you work or place it near a specific section of your diagram. If you need to zoom in or out on your canvas, you can do that as well, so the PDF stays visible in the layout that works best for you. Now let's move to the second method, which is attaching a PDF to a shape. This is ideal if the PDF is supporting information for one specific part of your diagram. For example, maybe you have a process map, a system flow, or an org chart, and you want to attach a reference document to one of the shapes. To do that, click the shape you want to connect the PDF to. Then open the context panel on the right side of the screen. Inside that panel, go to the Data tab. You should see a section labeled Attached Documents. Click Choose File, then select the PDF from your computer. Once you confirm the file, the PDF will be attached to that shape. This method is especially useful if you want your diagram to stay clean while still keeping the source file accessible. Instead of placing the whole PDF on the canvas, you can store it with the object it relates to, which makes your Lucidchart file easier to organize. So to recap, if you want the PDF visible in the workspace, use More, then Insert, then Document. If you want the PDF tied to a specific shape, select the shape, open the context panel, go to Data, and attach the file there. Those are the two main ways to work with PDFs in Lucidchart. If your goal is to edit the PDF itself, you'll need a different tool, because Lucidchart is mainly for diagrams and visual collaboration. But if your goal is to reference a PDF inside a diagram, this method works well and keeps everything in one place. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.